Mr.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Vina back with another one. So I know you guys are looking at me like, girl, why do you have all that on your face? But me and Goo just finished filming my boyfriend does my makeup for me for the very first time video, and these were the results. How do you think he did? Comment below. Anywho, so it's late. It's literally almost 2 o'clock on a Thursday night, meaning I have work tomorrow. So what I figured I'll do, through display of convenience, why not do a nighttime makeup removal routine before bed? If this is your first time tuning into our videos, make sure that you guys go and subscribe, because we're gonna have a whole bunch of lip vlogs, because we are the littiest of the lit. Okay, so we have here. So if you do want to see what I do at night or how I go about removing my makeup, keep on watching. Also, I'm going to be using all natural products, so if you're, because I have sensitive skin, don't want to use anything that's too harsh, keep on watching. So first and foremost, I start by removing some of this makeup with my face toner. And now this is witch hazel. You see here, guys, it was only $1.49, so it's very cheap, and it is a natural ingredient. I just take one of these cotton pads and pour it on there like this, and just wipe off some of this makeup. It's one of the easiest makeup cleaner, but it's a skin cleanser, makeup remover, and after shaving. So you can use this for multi-purposes. So it's not only for females, you can also use this, guys.
You cannot help her. Oh, 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 oh. She want the scammers and niggas with the hammers. She want the foreign cars, she wanna live lavish. She's a bad girl like Riri, she's a savage, but she belongs to the world.
Really cool. And you just wipe down very gently. Don't be too rough on your skin. The less rough you are, the more smooth your skin will be. Ooh. Let's not forget to take these lashes off. One of the best feelings ever. I'm going to use another one of these. And I really love how gentle this is on your skin. The glue is keeping my lashes shut. Oh, Lord. That makeup is removed. Some people go to sleep like this, but I don't play that kind of game. I have to use one more pad, so this is the third one that I'm using. Okay, you see my skin already looks so much brighter, but look at this, still makeup on. So I wouldn't advise to just use this alone, because you'll still have makeup seeping into your pores, but it's definitely a great way to remove a lot of your makeup, because makeup is something really heavy that we put on our skin. Alright, make sure y'all get that neck up, because sometimes the makeup be really deep. Yeah. Okay, so after I use the face toner, I go in with my African black soap, and African black soap is very beneficial to your skin. It's like one of the best exfoliating soaps you can ever use. It's made out of 100% natural ingredients, and I've been using this for my skin for the longest, because my skin reacts very bad to things that are hypoallergenic. But this, we know, is all natural ingredients. There's nothing scented, no fragrances. And then African black soap, you see that? Once it gets wet, it gets so liquidized. Liquidized, is that what it was? Anywho, so I just literally take the wetness of it and get it on my skin like this. Okay. And African black soap, you have to work quick with it because it's really drying. And I just use the palm like that. So now that my face is all clear, I'm gonna do a mask. Ooh. Alright guys, so my camera had died, but I used the charcoal mask. As I was explaining earlier, this is Groov's mom actually got this for me, and when you put it on, it begins to heat up. It's pretty cool. I think I like it. The only thing I'll say I don't like about it is it has a smell, so I know they added fragrance to it, but it's not too strong, so I don't think it will have any kind of like breakout effects on my face. It says you're supposed to wash it off after 1 minute, but I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and then wash it off afterwards. I need it to soak in my skin, you feel me? As I put it on too, it was very smooth, very gliding, and I only used that small pack to do my whole face, and it gave me a full coverage. So I think that's pretty cool. And it's really heating, guys. It's like I can feel the heat. I feel like you feel like a heating pad on your face. I like that. I just finished brushing my teeth, so the mask doesn't get hard. It still stays liquidy after, what, 10 minutes? It usually takes me about 10 minutes to brush my teeth. So just know that this mask does not dry hard. But another alternative, which I always use, I either use the Indian healing clay, Bentonite clay, and this has a lot of great benefits, and it gets hard. So if you're one of those people that can't handle face masks getting hard, then this probably won't be the best for you. And this one does the same exact thing. This is the anti-aging Moroccan red clay. Is it called that? Yep, red clay. And I love this one. To me, this one does not, oh, it's not even focusing. This one does not itch. When I put on the Bentonite, it makes me, it's kind of itchy, but this one doesn't. And I use this probably like once every 2 weeks, but it's not something that I do every day. But yeah, those two masks, these are not completely 100% natural. If you want natural, get Now Solutions. All their items are natural. So yeah, I'm about to wash this off. Last night my camera died, but I haven't washed my face yet. I just want you guys to see what my face will look like right after I do the night routine and how I wake up. Okay, so yeah, yesterday night I tried this mask for the first time. It is the EPL charcoal heating mask, and this mask is actually great. Like I said, it did have a little fragrance, so I was a little scared that it was gonna break me out, but it did nothing bad to my skin. My skin's literally just normal, and you see I didn't get no breakouts or anything. So yeah, so that's basically it. And I told you guys I lotion my face with Cetaphil. Cetaphil is non-fragrance. It is fragrance free. It's dermatologist recommended, and it's so good for your skin. Like, it's very lightweight. I even use this on side, and his skin has reacted perfectly. He hasn't had any breakouts. His skin doesn't get dry. It's just amazing. I love this. And if you are a person that has very sensitive skin, I will say use this. Now, I did brush my teeth, so my lips probably a little bit ashy, But yeah, I would say use this, okay? Because this is really skin friendly, sensitive friendly. I like that, sensitive friendly. So yeah, so basically my face routine consists of removing the makeup, exfoliating, putting on a mask, lotion, and go to bed. Is your skin routine just like that? Oh, that's my alarm. I should be leaving the house right now. Sorry. So anywho, yeah, comment down below what is something that you do different in your skin routine, and what do you think I could have expanded a little bit more on. But thank you guys so much for tuning into our channel. I hope you really like this. If you would like to see more videos like this, comment down below and let us know. And if you really enjoyed this one, make sure y'all give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Peace.
World you cannot hide from. Money is the issue. If you got it, she ain't with you. Cause she's impressed on how that new bands move. When you pieces, when she touch down in the end zone. Chanel kicks and her top reads Kenzo. Her neck froze, diamonds and baguettes, yo. And she ain't fucking with no nigga if he's that broke. So having paper to this girl really matter. But she belongs to the world you cannot hide from. She want the scammers, the niggas with the hammers. She want